Every record sparks a conversation. Who's chasing this deal? Did we send the contract? Should we hold off until next quarter? Most teams have that conversation somewhere else. A Slack thread, a DM, a quick word in a meeting. The decision gets made and then is gone. A week later, someone opens the record and has no idea what was agreed. Attio keeps the conversation on record with comments. The question, the answer, and the decision all sit right next to the deal they're about. This video shows you how they work. What a comment is. A comment is a short message you leave on a record for your team. Let's open the people object, for example, and navigate to the name of the record, and you will see this bubble when you hover over the name of the ad comment. It's a different note. A note is a record of what happened and lives like a separate object. Comment lives on the item itself as well, but is the discussion about the record, a question, and a heads up. How to create a comment. So, navigate to the name of the record and you will see this bubble. Click on Add a comment and you can put a comment like this task comment. And if you want to mention someone, you can put at and like mention the record or the user whom you are addressing. You can use the emojis to highlight some messages. And when you click on the comment, this comment will be created. But what should we do if the conversation about this record is finished? You just can close this like this one. You can reply in the thread first of all. Imagine I'm another user and yes, I did it. You can close this comment as well, like let me close it. Open it again and I can click on resolve comment, or I can link to the comment and put it in the Slack or WhatsApp order, so Gmail message, and share it with my team. Like when you click on the resolve comment, this has disappeared from the record site. So if you open this record, you will not see any historical changes or historical comments about this record. Be careful with the comment, and if you want to keep the context about this record, you would need to use the notes. If you want to discuss about the record or put some actions on it on this record, you can use the comments. But my recommendation is to use the task for it because you can track it and you can keep the history of the record consistent. Next video, we cover a cleanup most teams need early, turning off automatic record creation from email sync. We're Craft, and we help teams turn Attio into something they actually use. Link in the description to book a free audit.